Hey everybody, welcome to Thursday's work. Um, let's see, today actually it's pretty easy. All you're going to do is read this poem with me and then write a paragraph about it. It is an R2D2 paragraph. I've given you a structure that you can use. You do not have to fill in the blanks. You can write your own paragraph. You are going to be talking about the theme. So remember that themes are universal. So a theme would not be two boys looking at the stars. That is only about this particular poem. But if the theme is something like two boys wonder about the universe, or kids wonder about the universe beyond, that could be about many different types of texts. So that could be your theme. Okay, you'll have to read it and figure out. And so what I put is the theme of Summer Night is, and then you put the theme. First, the author states that, and you're going to give me an example from the poem that supports that you know this is a theme. This makes me think of what? How did you know that that was related to the theme? It supports the theme because, etc. Second, the poem discusses, and you're going to give me another example. This sounds like, and you're going to tell me what you thought of. This supports the theme by talking about blah, or showing me that, etc. Finally, this line in the poem supports the theme, let's fix that typo, by telling me that this. In conclusion, the text supports the poem's theme, which is, and you're going to say the theme again. Okay, if you could only find 2 examples, you can of course cut out one of these. And again, you do not have to use this if you feel comfortable. I just wanted to give you structure. I would rather have 1 really good paragraph than 3 not so great paragraphs. So, Summer Night by Bianca Capoletta. And it says over here, as you read, look at the words hovering and vaster and see if you can figure out what they mean. I bet you get hover. Vaster might be harder. Summer Night by Bianca Capoletta. The city is full of streetlights, stoplights, floodlights, making it hard to see the stars. But Ben and Louie are out this summer night at 10 p.m. in front of their apartment building, peering up at the sky anyway. Ben asks if that's the constellation Orion hovering over there just above the billboard. Louis shrugs because he doesn't know for sure. He asks how many light years to the universe and what's beyond the edge when you get there. If you could get there, which you probably can't, but if you could, Ben says he doesn't know for sure either. It's a vast place, the universe, but what's beyond must be vaster still. And they know they should go inside and get ready for bed, but it's too wonderful out here below the faint glow of the stars, and they just can't. And you've got a picture of them in the bright lights of the city trying to look at the stars. So again, you will decide what the theme is. There's often more than one theme to a poem. And then you are going to write and tell me what the theme is and give me examples to tell me how you figured it out. All right, that's it for today. Don't forget, you have a Freedom Journal that's now only twice a week, due by Thursday night. Write what you are reading in your reading log. And then you have 2 math assignments. We might be rolling out some new work next week from iReady, but we haven't learned a lot about that yet, so we'll just all wait and see together. All right, take care, and I'll be online tomorrow along with Miss Wheeler and Miss Porter from 9 until 1, and I look forward to chatting with you then.